Hey, I'm Bob in my basement shop, and this is another ultimate miter saw stand video. Well, it may not be ultimate, but it has a secret that I like, and I'll give you a closer look. Here it is from the ground up. It's got plywood sides. Behind the door, there's plywood shelves. And the secret is this meat lug, which you can get at the farm store, any place probably that has hunting supplies. And I built the whole cabinet around it so that I could put all my offcuts and my scraps would fall in there. I had some 2x3s. You can see that the saw is just resting on these 2x3s. It's a bridge across here, 2 pieces. I've got it screwed down to that. So what happens is anything I cut will either drop in here, or I'll take it, toss it in the meat lug, and it falls back down in there. I cut some 2x on an angle to direct everything in there, and when I get done, it's easy to dispose of, and I've got a whole tub full of scraps and dust. So it works for me. I thought you might like to see that. My miter stand featuring the secret meat lug.
Why is he always calling me meat?
Thanks for watching.